Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create custom pixel and vector brushes on the Adobe Illustrator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the create button down below, which is the second option. After that, you should scroll down to the bottom of the page until you find the brushes section, where you can create custom pixel and vector brushes. As it says, click on the create button. Then you should move or position your camera to the object that you would like to capture. Here you can make adjustments on the slide and then click on the white button down below to take your picture, and here you will be able to see that you have 4 sections. At the top you can select the style. Here as you scroll down you can see a bunch of options, and you can also crop the picture, add settings such as the size, flow, the color. You can add repetitions, you can set the velocity, the texture, and in the upper right corner of the screen you can also make further adjustments by using the slide down below. When you are done, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. You can save your brush to your library. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.